we are gonna copy it. Copy there. And then there. Then I'm gonna go with my chocolate because I made this. Why would I support my Obby with chocolate? Because I like chocolate. That's why I am putting chocolate. Hi guys! Today we're at Bud. Guys, we're gonna make an experience. Let's make an experience. Let's make it. As you can see, if you've seen in my last video, up here, it's a tutorial how to make your Bud account. That was an old account. This is my original account, so yeah. That's a tutorial. Then the skies are gonna be purple because Bud is purple. But let me choose this one because it's beautiful. Now, let's add crop as a weapon. So, this one, I like this. This is a perfect one for the start. So yeah, thanks creator for this. Because this is a good start, like, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna make the starting area. Just gonna make the starting area. Yeah. Now we need what? Not that. Wait. As you can see, you can get one of my items here. Aesthetic chair. That's not aesthetic. I tried. So yeah. So I'm gonna start with my item, the Hello Kitty one. Okay. Copy it. Right up. Copy it. Okay. A little bit down. There. No, that's too far away. Like, yeah. This is gonna be a little longer, but yeah. I'm just gonna. That's why it's called the Bud Obby, because it's a Bud Obby. It's like, yeah, like Obby turn lane. It kind of looks like purple, but not pink. Not gonna lie, I'm starting creator, like I said. That's not it. This is not it. Okay. There. Okay. This is kind of easy, Obby. This is also like Roblox Studio. Because if it's Roblox Studio, you can make many obbies. You can do it in the laptop. Or, yeah. You can do it in the laptop, like, yes. I created one obby in the laptop. Okay, yes. Now we are gonna copy it. Copy there. And then there. Then I'm gonna go with my chocolate because I made this. Why would I support my Obby with chocolate? Because I like chocolate. That's why I am putting chocolate. I know chocolate is not healthy, but I know, guys. Oh my god. So this is like a tower, but it's an Obby. Tower Obby. Where did it go? Where did it go? I'm just gonna. Yes, I got it. I got a hang. When I started Bud, I just gotta make a rose red room, but I didn't know how to play Bud that first place. But now I know how to play Bud because my friend named Julia taught me how to do it. But yeah, I know how to do it now. Copy there. Copy there. This one first. Turn it around. This one. This one. This one thing that you. There. Wait. Okay. Another one. Okay. Bud cake. Why is it so? Why yes? Yes. As I can see, there's so many bud obbies. Like yas. Why? Just go there. Why? There. Go. Yes, finally. I'm suffering. No, I am not. Yes, I am. Yes, no, I'm not. Yes. Straight in the... Okay. We're gonna add some stairs. Rain view. Okay, why is it rain view? But it's okay. Maybe the creator made it as a mistake. Yes, creator. We forgive when you say rain view because it's. Why does it always lag if I do that? Wait. Okay. No. Okay. Perfect. No. Why did I do that? I'm trying this. Autocorrect saves your life. Like if you put rain view, it will put rainbow. So yes, autocorrect might save your life. Okay. If you don't have autocorrect, it's okay. Copy it. There. Owen. Bud. Why does it deserve to be big? Because Queen made it. Like, yes. We love Queen. Wait, let me see if I can play it. I can play it. Why is it small? Okay, I'm gonna fix it. Literally fixing it. Okay, I'm gonna make it a little... Okay, fine. I'm gonna make it a little big. Little bit big. Like that. And scale it. Scale there. Scale. And that. Scale it. Like, yes. And scale. I don't care if the Hello Kitties are small, because it's my creation. And the chocolates too. I'm gonna make the cakes a little big. Which is kind of big now. What is this supposed to be? Okay. I'm gonna delete this. Boom. Okay, we're gonna make it a little that. Yes. I made plenty of obbies. Maybe 3 obbies? No, maybe 4 obbies. I don't know. I don't know. Literally, I do not know. Wait. Oh my god. Yes. This is good. This is good. This is a good one. Wow, cheater. This is almost gonna be cool. Yes, this is perfect. Perfecta. Okay guys, if this is the end of the video, I will make a part 2 of this. Literally part 2. But good job to be there. It's gonna be a little small. Look, that's like this. It's Queen's creation. This is gonna be a long thing that we can do in one video. In part 2, we're gonna make this little cool. So guys, this is all for the video. We will make a part 2. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye. But bye.